So if you want to set your exposure right, you can use your histogram. If you are using live view, at the same time you need to be able to see your histogram, and that's possible. So for a quick tip, how to set this up? Well, live view. Ta-da! I have a subject, so you can see it. Then you press the I button. You scroll down, and then it says exposure preview. Exposure preview on. But you still don't see it. Okay. Then you press the info, info. There it is. And now you see your exposure. Ta-da! In live view. And you can play around with it. So basically that's how you set your histogram quickly. Look, you can just mess about a bit. This is how you set your histogram in live view. Ta-da! Perfect. Good enough. Let's put it like that. I hope you like my tip. I have another tip for, I think, Saturday. And I have a lot more tips coming, so check it out. So have a nice day. Like, subscribe and all that stuff.